Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Christmas ruffle winter wonderland inspired deco mesh wreath. What you will need: I have my wreath ring. This is actually a silver ring purchased at Dollar Tree. I have silver and blue deco mesh. So this deco mesh was purchased at Hobby Lobby, so I'm pretty sure I'll only need one roll of each color, but I have two just in case. If you're using deco mesh from Dollar Tree, you will definitely need 2 or 3 rolls of each color of mesh. You will also need scissors. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take one roll of blue and one roll of silver, layer them one on top of the other. I'm going to go with blue on top, but go with whichever you prefer. I'm going to start on the inner ring. I'm going to take my mesh, loop it around the inner ring, and tie it in a nice knot, just like that. And you can cut away the excess mesh so that it's not visible, or you can just tuck it away once you start making your wreath. Alright, so once you have your knot in place, we're going to start making our loops. I'm going to start on the innermost space, pull my mesh through to make my first loop. The size of the loop is completely up to you. You can make it large or small. Just make sure you make the loops as uniform as possible. So this is my first loop. I'm going to go to the second space and make another loop, and go to the third space and make one more loop, just like that, making sure they're similar in size. Alright, and then once I have all 3 loops, I'm going to scrunch my mesh together and then twist it a couple of times. And then I'm going to start back over on my first space, making 3 more loops. And I'm going to go with 2 rows in each of my 6 sections. You can definitely go with more if you choose to do so, but I feel like 2 rows in each section makes a decent sized wreath. So I'm going to continue making loops all the way around the ring. So I have come to the very end of my mesh. I'm going to just cut it off of the roll, making sure I leave a nice amount so that I'm able to tie the end of the mesh in a knot. And I'm going to twist it a couple of times, just so it makes my knot tying process a little bit easier. And then I'm going to tie it in a knot around the ring, and then cut away the excess mesh or tuck it away, whichever you prefer. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is separate my layers. I do have 2 layers of mesh, so I'm going to separate it so that both layers are visible, and also it helps to make my wreath poofier and larger. Looks so cute, simple, sweet, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the styles to fit your needs. You can definitely add in any additional embellishments you'd like, add a cute sign to the center. Just have fun with it and make it your own.